Mercedes-Benz Vision Van. For city logistics, Mercedes-Benz developed the futuristic Vision Van. It reimagines last-mile delivery operations by integrating multiple cutting-edge technologies. Effortless and quick air deliveries are possible thanks to the van's completely automated cargo area and drones. An electric motor system of 75 kilowatts and a joystick control provide for a 270 kilometers range that is both smooth and emission-free, making it ideal for urban areas with vehicle restrictions. The algorithms that control the Vision Van's intelligent system handle order picking and drone deployment, among other tasks, and optimize route planning and package handling. Its eye-catching design has an LED matrix for communication and a black panel radiator grille with a wide windshield. There is a lack of information regarding the Vision Van's price, but the fact that Mercedes-Benz vans begin at $49,900 suggests that it will compete in the luxury segment. Lazarini Colosseum. Lazarini Design Studio has an innovative medi-yacht concept with the Lazarini Colosseum. Embedded into its distinctive 699-foot form is a 347-foot detachable airship, opening up new horizons for exploration on land and in the air. With its 3 HTS engines, the yacht can attain speeds of up to 22 knots. With its 10 guest suites and capacity for 24 passengers plus 10 crew members, the airship known as Norge 2.0 provides an opulent flying experience. Up to 44 passengers and 20 crew members can be comfortably accommodated by the 22 guest suites, various decks, and pools that make up the Colosseum. This cutting-edge plan is an attempt to revive the classic airship style of the 1920s while incorporating contemporary technology and materials. Approximately $1 billion is the projected price tag for building the Colosseum. In the yachting industry, this idea stands as a symbol of unparalleled opulence and technological advancement. Toyota Space Vehicles. Innovative solutions for a wide range of requirements can be found in Toyota's space vehicles, such as the Toyota Pro City and the all-electric Toyota BZ4X. The Toyota Pro City is a van that is specifically developed for usage in commercial settings. In addition to having a cargo capability of up to 1,000 kilograms and a towing capacity of 1,200 kilograms, it also has a luxurious interior. Several other models of the Pro City are available, and the base model may be purchased for a price that begins at £22,515. The Toyota BZ4X is a sport utility vehicle that is powered entirely by electric power and has cutting-edge technologies. In addition to having an aerodynamic design, recycled materials, it has a range of up to 318 miles on a single charge. Beginning at a price of £41,950, the BZ4X is a utility vehicle that can be used for both driving in the city and going on off-road excursions. Peugeot Inception concept. An avant-garde look at electric vehicles of the future, the Peugeot Inception concept will serve as the basis for Peugeot's portfolio beginning in 2025. With its seductive curves, cat-like posture, and spotlighted Peugeot claws on either end, it personifies the feline future style. With its 500 kilowatt electric powertrain, the concept automobile can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds. Featuring immersive seating and clever storages, it can transform from a conventional cabin into a BV by design living room, transforming it into a mobile home. The Inception concept has an auto-drive feature for autonomous driving capabilities and introduces the HyperSquare control system, which is a tablet-like device for intuitive interactions. Directly in front of the driver's eyes is the digital Halo cluster dashboard, which displays crucial driving data. Peugeot has set a goal of halving its carbon usage. Wait. Hyperport. A state-of-the-art cargo solution, the Hyperport by Hyperloop TT can swiftly transfer shipping containers between ports and important urban locations. Ensuring dependability, efficiency, and worker safety, this system functions within an enclosed environment. By conforming to industry standards and enabling quicker, more secure movement of goods, it seeks to simplify off-the-dock logistics. Reduced transit times and improved overall efficiency of cargo handling are achieved through the utilization of modern technology at the Hyperport. It is a component of Hyperloop PTT's larger goal to transform transportation through the implementation of cutting-edge and environmentally friendly technologies. The public does not have easy access to detailed pricing information on the Hyperport system. Port and logistics firms hoping to improve their operations should prepare to spend a pretty penny on it, though, due to the size and technology involved. Celeste Zafalto. The French business Zafalto is working on a groundbreaking aerospace project called Celeste Zafalto that aims to provide a one-of-a-kind experience of traveling through space. Celeste, a pressurized capsule with views through 3-meter-wide windows, is the main attraction of this endeavor. Its purpose is to take passengers to a height of 25 kilometers above Earth's surface. There are 3 cabins on the trip, and each one can accommodate 2 persons in utmost seclusion. The view is only part of the experience. Each guest is taken on a unique journey by Zafalto's designers. Along for the ride will be pioneers in the field of stratospheric travel, and they will be a part of history. A 20-meter pressurized module, the capsule is aesthetically pleasing and environmentally friendly. A low-carbon journey to space is redefining space travel standards via environmental commitment and a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Himo H1. A folding electric bike that is designed to be as portable as possible. The Himo H1 is an ultra-compact machine. It is small enough to fit in a backpack since, when folded, it is smaller than a piece of paper that is A3 in size. It has a rear hub motor that gives it a maximum speed of 18 kilometers per hour and weighs only 13 kilograms. Over the course of approximately 5 hours, the bike's battery, which has a capacity of 6,000 mAh, may provide a range of up to 30 kilometers on a single charge. With a front LED headlight, solid rubber tires measuring 6 inches in diameter, and a digital display that displays speed, battery capacity, and mileage, the Himo H1 is a complete package. As much as 91 kilograms of weight can be supported by it. For short commutes and urban travel, this electric bicycle, which costs roughly $425, is an excellent choice. Gizai Arms. One of the teams at the University of Tokyo is responsible for the development of the supernumerary robotic limb system, known as Gizai Arms. It comprises of a base unit that is worn and has 6 connectors, which enables users to attach and detach up to 6 robotic arms, depending on their needs. Each of these arms can be controlled by the person who is wearing them or by another individual, which enables one-of-a-kind social interactions, such as switching arms or employing them in tasks that need collaboration. The design of the system is intended to be in harmony with the human body, which will improve both its functionality and its beautiful design. A society in which humans and robots interact in a seamless manner is the target of this project, which intends to investigate the potential of digital cyborgs. Nevertheless, comfortable advanced robotic systems can be purchased for tens of thousands of dollars today. Matnet Station. For automated and trouble-free product delivery, the Matnet Station is an essential part of the company's drone delivery system. With its user-friendly interface, you may send and receive packages at any time of day or night. It also has the ability to automatically replace batteries and payloads. An integrated logistics solution is created when this station is used in conjunction with the Matnet M2 drone and the Matnet cloud platform. When it comes to logistics, e-commerce, and healthcare, the Matnet Station is a lifesaver, allowing for dependable and rapid delivery services. It bolsters the plan for drone networks that span entire cities. The Matnet Station, along with the Matnet drone and cloud platform, is offered as part of a full-service package by Matnet. Contact Matnet directly for a quote because the actual cost details are usually modified based on the individual demands and scope of the project. Technoalpin TR9 TR10. Both the Technoalpin TR9 and the TR10 are cutting-edge snow cannons that are designed to create snow in an effective manner. The TR9 is a snowmaking machine that is known for its compact excellence. It delivers better snowmaking performance together with fewer noise emissions and optimized energy balance. It is equipped with components of superior quality, such as a turbine and compressor that are both powered by a single electric motor unit. Every single drop of water is transformed into snow thanks to the technology of the nozzle valve. This particular model, the TR10, exemplifies the highest level of innovation and perfection. The TR10 is a snow machine that utilizes resources in the most efficient manner possible, while still providing exceptional usability. Moreover, it features a huge touch display that makes operations simple, through the utilization of its effective mechanical idea and automatic positioning. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. One of the best drones for aerial photography and filmmaking is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. With its 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, you can capture breathtaking 4K video at 120 frames per second and 5K video at 50 frames per second. The drone comes with 2 telephoto cameras, one measuring 70mm for medium tele and the other 166mm for long tele, so you may shoot in a variety of ways. The Mavic 3 Pro allows for a long and safe flight, with a maximum of 43 minutes with omnidirectional obstacle detecting. In its most basic configuration, the Mavic 3 Pro with the DJI RC controller costs about £1,879, or about $2,199 or $3,099 in Australian dollars. Additional accessories and features are available in the Cine Premium Combo and Fly More Combo for individuals who are seeking more. Cyret Bracelet. An innovative touchscreen interface may be projected onto your forearm with the help of the Cyret Bracelet. By combining a Pico projector with 8 proximity sensors, this cutting-edge device can produce an interactive skin display. With just a few simple gestures, you can read emails, browse the web, and make calls. You can wear the bracelet in the shower or any other damp area thanks to its water-resistant design. There may be as many as 10 color options and 2 storage capacities for the Cyret Bracelet, 16GB and 32GB. It will be able to work alone or in tandem with other devices, and it will have connectivity choices like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. With 16GB of storage, the Cyret Bracelet is expected to cost around €380, about $400. Providing a novel and hands-free experience, this futuristic gadget seeks to transfer the capabilities of a smartphone to your wrist. Spin Launch. Spin Launch is a cutting-edge space technology startup with a mission to change the way satellites are launched forever. The Spin Launch kinetic launch mechanism is powered by electricity and is located on the ground, as opposed to the more conventional rockets that use fuel. A rocket can be launched into orbit at speeds of up to 4,700 miles per hour with this technique, which uses a vacuum-sealed centrifuge to spin. The rocket can carry a payload of up to 200 kilograms into orbit after its engines are ignited at approximately 200,000 feet, around 60 kilometers. Both the financial and ecological footprints of space launches are cut in half using this technique. Unlike conventional rocket launches, which can cost anywhere from $5 million to $100 million each launch, Spin Launch aims to keep launch costs to $500,000. More frequent satellite deployments and easier access to space could result from this cost-effective strategy. Vevel Luggage. The Vevel Luggage is a travel solution that is both unique and versatile, and it is meant to adapt to your specific requirements. The flexibility of this 3-in-1 expandable hardside luggage allows it to be transformed into 3 distinct sizes: small, 16 inches, medium, 22 inches, and large, 26 inches, making it suitable for any length of trip. A TSA-approved lock, 360-degree silent wheels, and a robust shell made entirely of polycarbonate are among of the advantages that it possesses. In addition, the bag features dividers that can be adjusted and packing cubes that can be customized, allowing you to maximize space and maintain order among your items. After initially being sold for $399, the Vevel Luggage is now available for purchase at a price of $249. Because of this, it is an option that is both economical and practical for travelers who are wanting to reduce their packing without sacrificing quality or design. Carver Air. Professionals and amateurs alike will find use for the Carver Air, a multi-purpose desktop CNC machine. You may easily switch between activities with its fast tool changer, which cuts down on wasted time. Accurate cuts are guaranteed on materials with imperfections thanks to the machine's auto-probing and leveling features. You can machine cylinders and make complicated three-dimensional shapes with its 4th-axis module. Perfect laser engraving and cutting on a variety of materials is also possible with the 5-watt laser head, which is an optional accessory. The Carver Air's sturdy die-cast frame guarantees longevity and accuracy. Users may begin generating within 30 minutes because it comes completely constructed and tested. The machine can be easily used from any device thanks to its cross-platform software. With a potential price tag of $2,199, the Carver Air is listed on Kickstarter for $1,399 right now.